those not so wonderful thoughts strike again. You're overwhelmed, critical, snapping at yourself in your mind. Last week, we talked about the anger spectrum, that full range of stressed emotions and inner reactions that steal your peace and derail your productivity. They show up as inner criticism, procrastination, and frustration. And they don't just go away because you've done the healing work. You've read the books, gone to workshops, and practiced meditation, and yet you still react, overthinking, shutting down, or snapping. And then comes the voice. Why am I still doing this? I know better. You're not failing. You're filtering through old pathways that automatically shape your reactions. I have been so familiar with this. For decades, I've done a ton of work on myself, healing and working with experts. Yet, I'm still getting in my own way. Now, I'm super excited to have found something that actually changes that old mind garbage. Sometimes I feel like I don't recognize myself as being the same person. And I look forward to sharing this powerful work with you. Next week on June 19th, there's a free masterclass where I'm sharing this simple model that reveals why we get stuck in these mind patterns and how to change the thoughts and your results. Are your thoughts impeding your progress? You want to be there for the masterclass on June 19th. So what can you do this week to begin shifting where you are on the anger spectrum? Notice the familiar loop. Is there a situation where you always react the same way? Step 1 is to just notice. This is the foundation of all change. Step 2, ask. What am I thinking? Are you saying the same things to yourself on repeat? Listen to your self-talk. And step 3, choose one small shift. Pause before you speak. Breathe before you hit send. This creates space for something new. You deserve to feel calm, clear, and back in command of your energy. Thank you so much for being here. We are just getting started. Empowering action aligned for success. Get yourself ready to be successful in alignment with who you are. I'm Sandra Lee.